Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you a used boat that we have here. It's a 2017 290 Sun Deck, powered by the Mercury Verado twin 250s. A ton of horsepower for this boat. Nice big sun pad, L-shaped seating here with storage all underneath. A refrigerator, little galley set up in this area. Opposing seating, nice comfortable seat here that you can switch. You can recline back this way. You do have a large head with a vacuum flush down there, so top of the line head down there. And in the helm area, we've got nice and neat, nice and clean. It's got the Raymarine, also has the joystick, fantastic control. As we move forward, we've got the nice U-shaped seating up here as well. And you got a recessed anchor windlass. It's fantastic. If you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.